Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reorder grid in Instagram. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you will need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So Instagram finally released the update where you can rearrange your Instagram posts. To do this, you simply need to open Instagram and go to your Instagram profile. Here, as you can see, I have two posts, and for example, I want to change the order of them, so the second would be the first or whatever. So to do this, I will need to hold for a while on the post that I have here, and just simply click on the reorder grid, the third option right here. So once you click it, you will see this interface, and here you can drag any post like that, like this. Just hold for a while on any post you want to change the position for, and just move it like that. And as you can see, it is rearranging the position of this post, and you can do whatever you want and change to anything. You can reorder your posts as you want, and basically that is it. If you want to undo the moves, you can just simply click on undo in the top right corner, and that is basically it. But we will just move the post like that, and if we go back, we will see that we changed the direction of the post's position. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.